Hello students, in chapter 2, today we start relationship between zeros and coefficient of what? Polynomials, right? Now, over here, we have to find relationship between zeros and coefficient of polynomial. For that, we have to take quadratic polynomial. Which polynomial? Quadratic polynomial. If alpha and beta are zeros of quadratic polynomial, px is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, then we have to write relationship. The relationship is what? The sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means what? Over here zeros are what? Alpha and beta. The sum of zeros means what? K alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Minus b by a. That is, we have to write also in this way. Alpha plus beta is what? That is sum of zeros, that is equals to minus b means what? Coefficient of x, coefficient of x, and a means what? Coefficient of what? X square, coefficient of x square. So this is sum of zeros. Next we have to find product of zeros, that is alpha into beta. The formula is C divided by A. That is, this is what? Product of zeros. That is equals to C. C means what? That is constant term. Constant term divided by A. A means what? Coefficient of what? X square. So this is what? Relationship between zeros and coefficient of polynomials. This is zeros and these are what? Coefficient, and this is relation between zeros and that coefficient of polynomial. So this formula you have to remember. Sum of zeros, this is our polynomial. Quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Over here degree 2, that's why it is quadratic polynomial. And sum of zeros means alpha plus beta, that is minus b by a. Product of zeros, that is alpha into beta is equals to c by a. So this we have to remember, right? Now, on the basis of this, we have to start our next exercise, that is 2.2. In that, question number first, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial. First, we have to find zeros of quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Then we have to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient. So first question number 1, in that first one, that is x square minus 2x minus 8. This is our quadratic polynomial. Now we have to find first zeros of this polynomial. So for that we have to take, let x square minus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. Now we have to factorize this. Using factorize method, we have to find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. So over here in last, what is the term? 8. So what is the factors of 8? So 4 2s are 8. Means we have to take minus 4 plus 2. Means middle term आना चाहिए, right ना? तो minus 4 plus 2, तो minus 2, right? Now factors is what? x square minus 4x. means इसको ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं, मिडल टर्म को हम क्या कर रहे हैं? स्प्लिट कर रहे हैं. तो minus 4 plus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. Now from these two terms, what is common? X is common, remaining x minus 4. From these two terms, what is common? 2, that is remaining x minus 4 equals to 0. Now in first bracket, x minus 4, second bracket x plus 2. Why x minus 4? Because from this the common is what? x minus 4. That's why second bracket x plus 2. Now x minus 4 equals to 0, x plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore x equals to 4 and x equals to minus 2. So therefore zeros are what? 4 comma minus 2. These are our zeros, right? Now we have to also find the relationship between zeros and that coefficient of polynomial, right? So now sum of zeros that is equals to 4 plus, but over here minus, that's why 4 minus 2. Then answer is what? 2, right? So over here sum of zeros means what? Coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x is what? 2. Coefficient of x square 1. So over here we have to put minus as well as minus 2 divided by 1. Now minus minus plus 2. Answer is same. Now minus as it is. Minus 2 is what? Minus 2 is coefficient of what? X. Coefficient of x upon 1 is what? Coefficient of x square. x के साथ कुछ नहीं but 1 है तभी तो उसका existence है x square. तो that's why coefficient of what? x square. मीन्स हमें क्या लाना है वो देख लेना है कि यहाँ पर -2 है, यहाँ पर 1 है, तो उस हिसाब से वहां पर एडजस्टमेंट करना है. ये आंसर आने के बाद एडजस्टमेंट करके हमें ये दिखाना है कि माइनस कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x अपॉन कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर. सिमिलरली वी टेक प्रोडक्ट ऑफ व्हाट? zeros, that is equals to 4 into -2. then answer is what? -8. तो उसको हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं -8 divided by 1. now -8 is our what? constant term, right? constant term divided by 1. 1 is what? coefficient of what? x square. So this is our relationship between what? Zeros and coefficient of that quadratic polynomial. So this is the answer of our this first question, right? Similarly we solve second one, that is second one is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So let 4s square minus 4s plus 1 is equals to what? 0. First we have to factorize. So 4 into 1, that is 4, right? Now factorize this 4, that is 2 into 2, right? You may directly write this in this way also, huh? This is what? 2s whole square minus 2 into 2s plus 1 square. This is equals to 0. Now this is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So this is the whole square of what? 2s minus 1 whole square is equals to 0. Then 2s minus 1, again you have to write 2s minus 1 is equals to 0. Now over here 2s minus 1 is equals to 0 or 2s minus 1 is equals to 0. 2s is equals to 1, 2s is equals to 1. Therefore s is equals to 1 by 2, s is equals to 1 by 2. So therefore zeros are 1 by 2 and what? 1 by 2. Now similarly we have to find relationship, right? These are the zeros and now we have to find relationship. So relationship, that is first we have to find sum of zeros. Sum of zeros, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is LCM 2, 1 plus 1, that is also 2, 2 by 2. Now we have to require the answer is what? Minus and 4 divided by 4. So we over here we multiply by 2 and divided by 2, right? Multiply, divided. So 2 2s are 4 divided by 4, right? Now over here we also want minus. So minus, again minus 4 divided by 4. So now this is as it is minus. Now minus 4 is what? Coefficient of what? S. This minus 4 is what? Coefficient of S. Coefficient of S upon 4. 4, that is coefficient of what? S square. Coefficient of what? S square. Now product of zeros. So product of zeros means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4. Now over here 1 is what? Constant term. Constant term. And 4 is what? Coefficient of what? S square. So this is our relationship between zeros and coefficient of this quadratic polynomial. Clear?